So a couple of people have asked me to do some questions from 11.2 question 3. So this is question 3A. So the first thing that you can do is just say, well, I need half of all of this and a third of all of this. So you can just work those out in your head. So obviously half of all of this gives us 3x plus 2. And then a third of all of this gives us 1x plus 2. Now, if you want to think about this as fractions, the way that we talked about before, obviously when you multiply fractions, just a reminder that if I have like 3 over x times 4, then you can think of this as 4 over 1, right? Because any number can be put over 1. And then you multiply straight across top and bottom, which would give us 12 over x. So I'm going to use this idea to get the same answer up here and just show you how it works, because you will need that in other types of questions. So again, you can think of this as being over 1. So 1 times 6 is going to be 6 over 2x plus 4 over 2. And then same thing here, plus 3 over 3x plus 6 over, plus 6 over 3. And this will all simplify down to exactly what I had here. So 6 over 2 is 3, 4 over 2 is 2, 3 over 3 is 1, and 6 over 3 is 2. So see how it gives us the same thing? So I don't mind which way you want to think about it, but you'll need this method when it's not quite as simple as this. Okay, so then I put together the bits that match. So I've got an x here and an x here. They are like terms, and I have a plain integer here and another integer here. So I can put those together. So that means I've got 4 x's altogether, 3 here and 1 here. And then I've got 4 as well, 2 plus 2. So that should be my answer for simplifying this question. I know you don't have to do 3b, but I'm going to do 3b anyway, just to sort of keep proving the point. All right, let's draw a line. Okay, so 3b is going to be 1/4 2x plus 6y. And then I'm going to have 3/4 6x minus 4y. All right, so let's do this. And we're going to use the method from over here because it's not quite as simple. Okay, so I'm going to think of this as 2 over 1, and I'm going to multiply straight across top and bottom. So this is going to be 2 over 4x plus 6 over 4y plus, again, we're going to think of this as being over 1. So 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 1 is 4y. And then this is a minus, because I've got 3/4 times negative 4y. Again, I'm going to think of this as being over 1. So I get 12 over 4. Y. Oh, I wrote x there where I should have written y, didn't I? Let's do that. That should be an x. Okay, now I'm going to put together the bits that match. So I have x here and x here. And thankfully, all the bottoms match. So I don't even have to worry about non-matching denominators. I've got my y's and my y's. All right, so I have 2/4 and I have to add 18/4. So altogether, that's 20/4 of x. And I've got 6/4 and I'm subtracting 12/4. So now I have minus 6/4 of y. Okay, so then I'm going to simplify these as much as I can. 20 divided by 4 is just 5. And then 6 over 4 is this, well, why did I have an equal sign there? Minus 3/2 of y. And I can't simplify that any further, so that is my solution. Okay, hopefully this is helping. If you're still confused and you're not quite sure what to do, please let me know.